In today's video, I'm going to be talking about fruits for drinks. Lovely, awesome freeze-dried fruit. Hey drinks fans, I am Steve the Barman. In today's video, I've got your fruit, your garnish needs covered in a world where we're now talking about sustainability. This brand is absolutely perfect for your gin and tonics, for your cocktails, whatever you need. So you may be thinking, what are freeze-dried fruits and how is it different to dehydrated fruits? Well, I'll have a little show. I brought some, for those of you that watch my cocktail channel, you'll know that I use dehydrated fruit quite a lot. So I'll explain the difference in a minute, but kind of freeze-drying. Freeze-drying is a very different process to dehydrating. When you're dehydrating a fruit, what you're doing is slowly, very, very slowly baking it, which will kind of preserve or concentrate the flavour in, but it almost kind of sort of gets rid of the big, bold flavour notes. Right, you still get the aromas, but you don't necessarily get the taste. And I think the two purposes are very different for each. Dehydrated, for me, is all about aesthetics, how they make your cocktails look. Whereas the whole freeze-drying fruits actually add something to the drink. Because what freeze-drying is basically a slow process, obviously of very, very cold temperatures, but what that'll do is that'll slowly freeze all the colour and all the flavour back into the products. So when you immerse this in your gin and tonics, for instance, I'm going to demonstrate with water. I'm a bit tight. I haven't got gin and tonic. I've got drive, so I've got some water I'm going to show you with. When you immerse, say, like an orange or a lime or maybe a blackberry or a raspberry or something there, it comes back to life. The water absorbs up. You get the raspberries will turn the drink pink, obviously. So they're very different purposes. You probably wouldn't use these to decorate and garnish your drink in that sense. Not like dehydrated. Dehydrated makes your drinks look pretty. But if you want that flavour, if you want a twist of lime in your gin and tonic, if you want a twist of orange in your gin and tonic, these are absolutely perfect in uses. Again, they've got you covered at home. If you don't want to waste a whole punnet of blueberries or raspberries or strawberries or anything like that, and you only have like maybe the odd gin and tonic every sort of week, these will keep, I think they'll keep opened for 9 months on the shelf life. And obviously they've got, these are all old, so I can't tell you exactly what the shelf life is, but I've got a funny feeling it's well over a year before opened. But I know once opened, at least 9 months, they will keep that flavour. So perfect for sustainability. I say, if you don't want wastage, they are perfect for smaller pubs, smaller bars that perhaps aren't doing the volume. You know, you're not doing 20, 100 gin and tonics a weekend. So that's their kind of purpose. You know I know through experience, some pubs really struggle to afford like limes and lemons and oranges to waste to waste in drinks, especially kind of little village pubs. And that is where these are perfect. So let's just open one of these up. One of them's mine. I've got to find out which one's mine. There we go. That one's mine. The rest of the drink stuffs. So I'll open up mine. Now, here's the caveat. This is, I don't know what the date is on this, because this is actually mine from over a year ago. And as I say, it's never been opened. There's no date on it from what I can tell. I can't see a date on there. So what I'm going to show you, there is actually no date on there at all. But it does very clearly say 9 months once opened on there. So I'm going to rip these open, and this is a mixed bag of lemon, lime, orange, strawberry, raspberry and blueberry. And I've just got 2 glasses here that I've stolen off the shelves and some tap water. Say, I'm driving, no gin and tonics today. So I just want to kind of demonstrate. And I'll show you the difference as well between sort of dehydrated and freeze-dried, okay? So let's just open this up. Now, look at these. Let's just get these all out. The smell is absolutely punchy coming through here. Oh, there's no. Oh, that's a bit annoying. These, bearing in mind, this is a sample bag, so there's no raspberries or blueberries in it. Now, but look at this. Look. So hopefully we'll get these. If I move these across, you'll see these on the close-up camera. And let me just get my dehydrated out. So this is the difference. This is a dehydrated orange, and this is a dehydrated lemon. So the orange, look at it. Now, again, there will be a bit of flavour that comes out when you immerse that in drink, but nothing along the lines of these. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to actually immerse just one single lime in that one, and I'll just leave that in there. But I'm going to open one of theirs. They won't mind. They won't mind. Shh, don't tell them. I'm going to get some raspberries because I want to demonstrate how the raspberries kind of really do change the colour. And they are really good. Look, let's just get a few. Let's just pour a few out on the front so we get the close-up camera. Look, they are proper raspberries. Look at them. So let's just pop that in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's just pop 5 in there. And you can see on my fingers the raspberry that's coming out. Right. Excuse fingers. Let's just give that a little stir. Now, can you slowly see that will definitely come up on the close-up camera there? So as I say, freeze drying process just really kind of freezes all the minerals, the flavours, the vitamins, the colours. It just freezes it in there. Whereas, as I say, the dehydrated, which I love for garnishing on top. I don't use dehydrated for flavour. I use them for making my drinks look pretty. Whereas these are all about the flavour. And this is the thing, it's not even about drinks. If you want flavoured water, you know, if you're one of these people that has sort of a water bottle that you carry with you all day, you know, just whack a couple of those in and you've got lime or lemon flavoured water all day. So, the nose straight away, that one lime, that is 100% lime flavoured water now. And for the raspberries, let's just have another little. Can you see on the close-up, can you see how vibrant pink that is just from 5 raspberries? And again, it's just raspberry flavoured water. It's so vibrant. Look, these, as I say, I've given you the uses. I think these are absolutely a brilliant addition for your home bars, for your pubs, for your bars, whatever. Go and have a look on the Drinkstuff website. As I say, we've got strawberry, raspberry, lemon, lime, orange, blueberries as well. So go and check them out. Make sure you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you like this content, subscribe, and then hopefully I'll be able to help you out in future videos. See you soon.